Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a updated living room tour because of the simple fact that I did not like the way that I had the living room at first when I first moved into my house. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Let's get started. So we're gonna start at this bar cart. Let's pan the wall. So I had a bookshelf there and I decided that that wasn't glam enough. So the bar cart came from Ross, as to be expected. And most of the items came from Ross with the exception of the vase. This vase actually came from TJ Maxx. The flowers came from Ross. These candle holders from Ross. The elephant came from Ross. The candy jar right here, this actually came from Target. And then on the bottom we have some glasses. These glasses, all four of these glasses came from Ross. I saw a young lady do a YouTube channel and she had some that came from Z Gallery and they were like $15 a piece. Well, those from Ross were $4.99. The skeleton head with the spoons came from Ross. These two, this one and this bottle here came from TJ Maxx, and then the back vase there, that came from Ross. So this star mirror was over there on that wall, so I moved it over here. That's my bedroom on that side, but I didn't make my bed. The bathroom is on that side, and yeah, no, so I had the door closed. So that's that corner that changed. And then when you swing around, well, no. Okay, so then we have, let's go this way. We have this black rug. This actually came from Ross. And then, please don't mind this stuff. This is stuff that I need to, I'm hanging these curtains, my work bag, my shoes, just everyday stuff that I leave there. But this mural, these curtains are my dining room curtains that I'm switching out. This mural, I painted myself. It was very easy. I just taped off the wall how I wanted it designed, chose the paints, filled it in, and removed the tape. It was very easy, very simple. I'm sorry I don't have a video for it. So then when you switch around, that is my door. And then here, I added a table. This table was downstairs in my basement, so I brought it up. I bought this stool from Ross, and then these pictures came from my old apartment. I painted those, so I put those up there. And these lamps, these beautiful lamps, came from Ross. Now this lamp I broke one of the bulbs down here and I glued it back to the base. I added this flower, put this lion in front of it, and saved my lamp because I did not want to toss the lamp out. The candles and the candle holders, these two came from Ross. That little gold piece right there came from Ross. I made this stem, this thing here, and it's just a mirror with some knobs glued to it. The D actually came out of my bedroom. The dish, can't remember. And the desk is from Wayfair. Below the desk is a faux fur rug that I had in my bedroom. I always move pieces around. You can see my little ugly socks. And then the windows, what I did was I moved the curtains, the curtain rod from wall to wall with the illusion of the windows being bigger. I moved the couch from the window to over here. So on the couch, the velvet couch came from Wayfair. If you guys haven't seen the first living room tour, please go watch it. The puffy pillows came from, both pillows came from Ross. This throw was on the chair that I'll show you in a minute, and I just moved it over there. I also have a black throw on that side that came from Ross. The elephant was on the table. I spray painted him black to put right there on the floor. That table came from TJ Maxx. That faux plant and that planter came from Ross. And then these two tables were here. They came from Ross. And what I did is I bought these, a bag of these. They were like a tan color. I spray painted half white, half black. Put them in this canister from Ross. And I mean, just really simple. These two items came from, I think, Ross. Ross. So over here I have a Frida Kahlo. I don't want to mispronounce her name, but she's an artist that I like. She was an artist that I like, and I wanted to put that book there. The tray actually came from Ross. The candle from Ross. The candle holder. That candle holder I think came from TJ Maxx. Don't quote me. It probably came from Ross. The two white rugs came from TJ Maxx, and then I just added this black one. This huge black one. So I just layered it. The chair that I absolutely love came from Wayfair. The throw, can't remember. I stole this pillow from my bedroom. Please feel free to go watch the bedroom tour as well. In the back, that was on the underside. So that came from, I think the table came from Ross and I spray painted it. All this came from Ross. And then we have this beautiful lamp that I substituted for the brown one that I had. I bought this lamp from Amazon. It was $144, pretty easy to put together. So then it just tied in everything. So as I back up, I'll give you an overview of what it looks like now. I wanted everything simple. I replaced the red, switched out for black, white, mixed metals, gold and silver. And then again, the beautiful mirror with the bar cart. And then the mural here, which flows into my dining room, which I'll get you guys a dining room tour very, very soon. So, excuse the mess. And that's just it. I wanted to jump on and give you an updated tour. I'm sending you guys lots and lots of love. Till next time, thanks for watching. Bye.